Hello, assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Okay, thank you so much. All of you sit down. Our today's topic is about one of the most inspiring and beloved figure in Islamic history, Hazrat Yusuf alayhi wasallam. His life story is beautifully narrated in Surah Yusuf as Ahsanul Qisas is a timeless example of passion, faith and forgiveness. Allah says, "Nahnu naqussu alayka ahsanal qasas." Identity of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam, plot against Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam, mujiza of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam, in charge of ministry.
Identity of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam was a great prophet of Allah and the son of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. His grandfather was Hazrat Ishaq alayhi salam and great-grandfather was Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. His mother was Rahila bint Labon. He was born before Christian era 1927 to 1827. He was known for his beauty, patience, honesty and wisdom. His story in Surah Yusuf is called the best of all stories. He faced difficulties like being betrayed by his brothers, sold into slavery and put into prison, but he always remained patient and trusted Allah. Later on, all the brothers along with their father came to Egypt. He gave them a cordial reception, then they would live together in Egypt. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam died at the age of 110.
Yusuf alayhi salam has shown and witnessed many miracles by the permission of Allah, but the mentionable miracle was that he could explain one's dream. Incident related to this mujiza of his was that one day the king of Egypt saw a dream. In his dream, he saw 7 fat cows were being eaten by 7 lean ones. After seeing that dream, he became restless and went to everyone for the explanation of that dream. From one person, he heard that in the prison there was a young man who could explain everyone's dream. After hearing that, he went to Yusuf alayhi salam to know the explanation of his dream. Yusuf alayhi salam said there will be 7 years where there will be good growth of crops, but after that there will come 7 dreadful years. In those dreadful years, no crop will be grown. You will eat from what you will save. After that, 1 year will come where there will be enough water to grow more crops. This was one of his most mentionable mujizas in the Quran, but there is another mujiza that is also mentionable, which is that in the last year of his ages, he cured his father's blindness by the permission of Allah. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam has many miracles written in the Quran, but these two were the most mentionable mujizas of him. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. After the discussion, we can say from his childhood dreams to the hardships he faced, being betrayed by his brothers, sold to slavery, and later getting into the highest honor in Egypt. Yusuf alayhi salam teaches us that true success comes through the trust in Allah and perseverance in difficult times. Okay, thank you so much. Today's class ends here.